Hey, so just having a bit of fun today. This is my version of A Horse with No Name, as written from the perspective of the horse. Here we go. On the first day of the journey, saddled up and left. Didn't seem to know where he wanted to go, but I had no way to protest. The desert was dry and baking hot, and my feet started to crack. It was bad enough in the desert heat without you sitting on my back. I've been through the desert, I'm a horse whose name's Shane, and there's a rude man on my back. He likes to claim that I don't have a name, but he didn't bother to ask. La la la.